Alright, so currently I am in Orlando, Florida, just passing through. We just come from Miami Beach, and I thought, well, let me just skate around real quick before we take off on the actual trip home. Here is the park I'm skating at, Rose Place Park. Just a simple, decent park. Just real quick, exercise before I leave. But yeah, here's the skates I'm going to use. My Power Slide Imperial skates. Breaking them in. There's something I'm starting to notice about these skates, and it's the bolts. You hear the clanking noise? No matter how much I tighten the bolts, on every skate session, they seem to loosen up. So that's one default that I find with the Mega Cruiser frame, is that the bolts, they loosen up a lot and they strip a lot too, to the point to where I actually lost one at one point and had to buy another bolt. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, I still like the skates.